Hey guys, welcome to another trading week with another account review. This one's going to be very inspirational, but also very insightful as we are reviewing a trader, very young trader, 23 years old, Oscar from Denmark, who just got paid last week $32,000 in single payout. That's not the impressive part. We've seen bigger payouts, right? The impressive part is that he did it on a $65,000 account in 5 trading days. So if you do the calculation, it's actually 50% profit in less than a week. That's why I'm so interested in reviewing this trader. So let's just dive into it. So this is Oscar's evaluation phase when he started trading $65,000 account. This wasn't customized account, right? This is a promo. And he purchased E81 mainly, I would say, from 2 reasons that comes to my mind, which is the first one, that E81 is a single phase evaluation. So guys, what you need to do in order to start earn with E8 markets is to pass one phase, then you got into simulated funded account and you can start earning based on your performance. Also, E81 till this day has the highest pass rate and biggest payouts among all E8 evaluations. The second reason being that he purchased this account at the best time possible, because as he was purchasing this account, we were running 2 promotions. The first one, the balance boost, and the second one, reduced profit target. The balance boost basically boosts his account size by 30%, yet remaining the same price. So for the price of a 50k account, he was trading 65k account. And reduced profit target, I would say, also play a pivotal role in his trading, because he recorded profit of 15.5%, yet if the profit target wouldn't have been reduced, he would still need to do 1.3% to actually achieve the simulated funded account. Okay, so that's probably why he chose to trade E81. I'm not going to speak about statistics because he did only 5 trades. And only 1 secured him the pass to simulated funded stage. He did it also really fast. Look at it. 19th of May, he started trading the evaluation phase at 3:32 p.m. And another day, 20th of May, 3:23 p.m., he finished it. He passed the simulated funded stage, which means that he did it in less than 24 hours. And he did it in 1 trade actually, because the first 3 trades he closed in loss. Then a little bit of profit, yet he still wasn't above the initial balance, and then 1 trade. Which gets me to the point that there are basically 2 options how you can pass evaluation. I've been asked this question so many times on Instagram. So here you go, guys. So either you go big, as traders used to say, all on red, okay? This way you are looking for a trade that has momentum, and once you catch that trade, you just let it run, okay? So whenever the market is not developing according to your trading plan, to your market analysis, just close it and find another one. Once you catch that trade that is going in your favor and it has momentum, then let it run. And you can, similarly as Oscar, pass the evaluation with single trade. There's no consistency rule on evaluation, so make advantage of it. Okay? Now towards the tips, I think you'll have laughed at me because I spoke about it so many times, but it's instrument analysis. It's again, single instrument. In this scenario, it's gold. It doesn't have to be gold, guys. If you're a Forex trader, trade Euro USD, GBP USD. If you trade Asian sessions, go with the pound and Japanese yen. But choose 1 or 2 instruments and stick with them. Do not trade 10 plus instruments. This is the most common patterns among E8 successful traders, that they trade 1, 2, or at max 3 instruments. Also, I've posted so many reels on Instagram about trading 1 instrument and gold, because gold at this moment, due to geopolitical tension, due to what's going on in the world, reacts very positively. Last 3 years, it's a huge bullish momentum that gold is getting, right? And most of the successful traders at the E8 who are swing traders, position traders, long-term traders, they hold long gold. Why? Because when something happens and it has negative impact on economy, on the world, then gold used to perform well, okay? And with this, whenever it's Ukraine, Russia, Israel, Palestine, trade trombone, when something like that happens, you want to hold longs, okay? If you're a scalper, it doesn't have an effect on you, but if you're a day trader, swing trader, long-term trader, the risks are toward downside. So I would rather hold the longs. This is just from my experience, it's from my expertise. And one more tip that I would like to mention is lot size. With Oscar's evaluation phase, you can see that he was usually taking trades with 2 to 3 lots, okay? There's not a big range, but what I saw traders doing, they are assigning lot size to how much they believe that's the trade they're going to pass the evaluation with. So they put 6 lots on one trade and 2 lots on another trade. Usually what happens is that the 2 lot trade is profitable and the 6 lot trade ends up in loss. So I would, at least if you're a beginner, slightly advanced, just take fixed lot size and leave it as it is. Yeah, according to trading plan. That's probably that comes to my mind while watching the Oscars evaluation phase. Okay, so yeah, passed in less than 24 hours on actually one trade, 5 trades, but only one made enough profit for him to pass into simulated funded stage. Now let's move on to the funded stage. Okay, so this is Oscar's simulated funded stage that he started trading on 21st of May. And on 27th, so 6 days after, actually the 21st was Thursday, so there are also 2 days, it was weekend, so he didn't trade gold. So 4-5 days, trading days, that he managed to achieve $32,000 profit. From 65 he went to 97, and he got all of the profits because he also customizes E81 evaluation to have 100% payout share. So all of the profits that he makes goes directly to him. Yeah. So about statistics: $3,200 average win, $1,000 average loss, 54% win ratio, and 3.6 risk reward ratio. Very decent statistics. Very decent statistics actually. This gap, just so we make things clear, is not a trade. This gap is a payout, okay? Just wanted to mention. Another thing that I would like to talk to you about is the $4,000 loss. Look at it here, 21st of May, he started the simulated funded account. The very same day, he closed $4,000 loss. Okay, and this is the situation that we did a poll on Instagram, on official E8 Instagram. What are most traders struggle with? And this answer came up most of the time, which is the early drawdown. Okay, traders used to get into drawdown after the first few positions in the first day. Then it's too difficult to get back on a horse, and actually pass the evaluation or get the payout. There is no secret to how you can solve this issue, but from my own experience, I would say take a break, meditate, just step away from the computer, from the charts, do something different. Try to keep at least your mind busy with something different. Find new thoughts. Okay, do not come back to the markets after few hours, not even few minutes, that you record loss like this, because you will make things worse. I've reviewed those accounts, and the revenge trading, this is called revenge trading, once you trade after you record loss, usually ends in failing the evaluation. So don't do it. Try to find something that keeps you busy, and then after, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, come back, or at the best another day, and just analyze what you did wrong. And if you didn't do anything wrong, just accept it. Losing days in trading are inevitable. Even best traders in the world have losing days. Okay, it's a part of the trading. Just accept it. Don't question your strategy. Just move on. Okay, that's probably my advice. I usually, when I record losing day, I just take a break. and I don't trade for the rest of the day, and I start fresh new the day after. Okay, move on. Trading account history. You can see again the lot size. At the very start, he was trading 2 lots, but then when he got on $80,000, he increased his lot size a little bit to 3 lots. So you can do that, but still it's within the range to 2 to 3 lots, which you should be also doing. And instrument analysis, again, just gold. Just gold, trading single instrument, as I would say 80-90% of successful traders at the markets. So the tips from this account review would be fix lot size, try to find a way how to deal with the early drawdowns, and if you want to try something, really take a break. Don't trade for the rest of the day once you record a loss in your trading. Okay. Also, another tip is the single instrument, and then the way how you can pass the evaluation, which is either go big, so bigger lot size and let it run when the momentum is in the market, or the second option, just steady as Peter did it with his evaluation, just steady, consistent growth, person by person. You've got two options. I think for younger traders, for most of the traders, this option is more interesting because you can get to the simulated funded stage a little bit faster, but also it has these downsides that traders who pass the evaluation with 1-2 trades usually spend more than just one evaluation, right? Oscar also bought like 5-6 evaluations, and this is the first one that he managed to pass. No shame in failing the evaluation. Sometimes it takes time, right? So that's another tip that I would have for you, and I think that might be actually all. Yeah, Oscar got his payout. Right now he's trading a new evaluation already, almost 1% in profit. Young trader, so he's very hungry because he was trading gold the entire time. This weekend he started trading Bitcoin because markets are closed, the only crypto market is open. So I love it. I actually love it about young traders having that drive, can't wait to see the charts again and press that buy or sell button. Yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching. I hope that you've learned something, that I provide you with some tips, some insights, at least inspiration, and I'll see you very soon with another account review. Take care.